Creating a computer that can sing with the emotion and clarity of a human is one of the toughest challenges in artificial intelligence. While we've seen AI generate impressive text and images, making AI sing realistically from a musical score is a whole other level of difficulty. Existing systems often produce vocals that sound slightly off, with strange noises or a robotic quality that gives the game away. Here's why this is important. Many of these systems work in two separate stages. First, they create a basic vocal, and then a second tool, called a vocoder, tries to make it sound like a real person. This two-step process can unfortunately introduce new errors and distortions, making the final song sound unnatural. Researchers behind a new paper decided to tackle this problem from a completely different angle. They developed an AI called Smooth Singer, which acts less like a singer starting from scratch and more like an expert audio engineer. Instead of generating a perfect vocal from silence, Smooth Singer starts with a low-quality, computer-generated vocal as a reference. It then meticulously refines and polishes this rough draft, smoothing out all the imperfections. This single-step process avoids the errors introduced by the old two-stage methods. To make it even smarter, the researchers gave the AI a special architecture that allows it to pay close attention to both the high-pitched melody and the overall flow of the song simultaneously. This helps it maintain a consistent and natural pitch, which is crucial for believable singing. Let's explore what they found. When tested on a large dataset of Chinese pop songs, Smooth Singer blew the competition out of the water. In both automated tests and listening tests with human volunteers, its generated vocals were rated as significantly more natural and free of annoying audio glitches compared to other state-of-the-art models. The unique refinement approach proved to be highly effective at creating clean, expressive, and realistic singing. So, what does this mean in practice? This technology could revolutionize music production, allowing producers to generate realistic backing vocals or even experiment with new vocal styles instantly. It could also be a powerful tool for artists and songwriters, enabling them to hear their lyrics sung beautifully without needing a professional singer. Beyond music, this could lead to more expressive voices for digital assistants or even help create personalized vocal replacements for people who have lost their ability to sing. Smooth Singer shows us a smarter way to teach AI not just to mimic, but to perfect. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI research made simple.